Let's get to know how to schedule your migration for a specific Slack channel or chat to Teams. Scheduling optimizes your time and resources, allowing you to migrate data on your preferred timeline. Here's the step-by-step process. To begin with, click the Migration tab on AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and choose Channel Migration to proceed. You'll have two options within the Channel Migration page: Service Account Migration and Actual User Migration. Now, let's select Service Account Migration. Then click on the Content Migration module. Under the Managemigration tab, you can find a list of mapped channels along with their migration status. Select the channels that are yet to be migrated, then click Schedule Migration and choose preferred date and time of your choice. Navigate to Manage Scheduled Migration tab to view, reschedule, or delete previously scheduled migration. The same streamlined process applies to actual user migration and conversation migration as well. And there you go! With AVAMIGRATRON's intuitive user interface, scheduling your migration process is simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.